Hello friends, today I'm going to make the Sunshine Cherry Blossom Prosecco. This name suddenly came into my mind looking at the half bottle of Prosecco I had and ended up making this super amazing cocktail on a lovely weekend. I made it with Prosecco, of course, and some vodka and some more ingredients. So let's get started. Let me quickly introduce you with the ingredients. I'm using here ice, orange juice, the Prosecco sparkling wine, then the Aromatic Cocktail Bitter and vodka, the Maraschino cherries. Oh, and also I forgot to use the Basil Leaves for some garnishing. At first, in a mixing glass, I'm adding in 3 to 4 cubes of ice. Thereafter, adding the vodka. I'm adding 60 ml of it. I'm going to make 2 glasses out of it, so 30 ml on each glass. Now adding the Prosecco sparkling wine. If you don't have the Prosecco, then you can use any other sparkling wine of your choice. Adding 120 ml of orange juice, some basil leaves, 2 dashes of the bitter, and then shake it up and mix everything well. Now it's time to pour the cocktail into the serving glasses. Oh my god, it looks so amazing, isn't it? Now I'm adding the cherries, 1 on each glass, and the sugar syrup which comes with the cherries. To give it a great look, I'm going to add the grenadine into it. So on each glass, I'm going to add half of a small cup, the cap actually, and you can see from the sides, I'm going to add it from the glass sides. I'm going to add it slowly and just look at it. It looks so amazing. So friends, here is the Prosecco cocktail, and when you are actually bored of having the regular wine, then you have to try this one. And trust me, you will never get disappointed. Just give this recipe a try on this weekend or any other weekend and enjoy! Please like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World if you haven't yet, and see you soon. Bye-bye.